Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Trust Wallet and confirming your seed phrase is backed up. That protects access. Next, make sure you have a small ETH balance to pay gas fees, about 0.005 to 0.02 ETH is typical. Then, enable the Ethereum network in the app and add the token contract manually if it isn't listed. Once done, you're ready to access decentralized exchanges. We'll use Trust Wallet's D-App browser or Wallet Connect to reach Uniswap and initiate a swap. Now connect. Open Trust Wallet's D-App browser and navigate to Uniswap, or on Uniswap's site choose Wallet Connect and scan the QR code with Trust Wallet. Tap Connect and pick the Ethereum address you want to use. Once connected, set the token pair, check the network is Ethereum mainnet, and configure slippage tolerance and transaction deadline. Approve token spending when prompted. Approvals are separate transactions that require gas. After approval, execute the swap and confirm the transaction in Trust Wallet's confirmation screen. Finish by waiting for the blockchain confirmations. You'll see the swap in your Trust Wallet transaction history. If a transaction is stuck or fails, increase the gas price slightly or try again when network congestion drops. Gas affects speed. If your token balance doesn't appear, add the token manually using its contract address and correct decimals so it shows. If approvals seem excessive, revoke unused allowances later. That completes the connection and swap flow. Contact support only if seed or funds are compromised.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.